Cecilio. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hello ma'am, good day. I'm Shena Cecilio, 37 years old from Dumadali, Cantangan, South Cotabato, and I am married.
Do you have kids?
Yes ma'am, I have 4 kids. 3 boys, 16, and my twin is 15, and 1 girl, 8 years old.
Okay. How many siblings do you have?
I have 2 brothers, 1 sister, and I am the 3rd child.
Okay. Can you tell me about your educational background?
I am vocational graduate of Diploma of Information Technology, and I'm finished my caregiving course 6 months with certificate.
Okay. Do you have work experience abroad?
No ma'am, this is my first time, but I have work experience here in the Philippines as a nanny and housekeeper. I do cooking, cleaning, washing, ironing, marketing, gardening, and my main duty is to take care of a newborn baby and elderly.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am honest person, hardworking, cheerful, and patient.
Do you have any tattoo?
No ma'am,
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
I undergo cesarean operation last 2016, 8 years ago.
Okay. Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad because I want to earn, and also I want to help my family financially, and I believe that this is a great opportunity to learn new cultures and gain more experience in different countries.
Okay. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
It's a small dog, I'm okay ma'am, but it's big, I'm a little bit scared.
Okay. Can you give me your idea how you can take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I'm stay calm, not to show anger, and teach them instead of punish.
Okay, that would be all. Thank you.
Thank you ma'am, and God bless.